In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Hostinger efficiently and securely. Whether you're collaborating with a team member or granting access to a website developer, understanding how to manage permissions is crucial for both productivity and security. By following these instructions closely, you'll ensure the right individuals have access to the necessary resources without compromising your personal information. To start, make sure that you're logged into your Hostinger account. This is where all the action will take place. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the control panel. This area is typically known as the hub for managing everything associated with your hosting services, so get comfortable with its layout if you aren't already. In the control panel, you'll want to locate the section labeled Access Management. This is your go-to place for assigning, removing, and managing permissions. Take your time here. Understanding this page will give you a solid foundation for keeping your hosting account organized. When you click on Access Management, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Pay close attention, as it's important to grant the correct level of access based on what the other party needs to accomplish. Now, create a new user account. During this process, you'll be asked to provide some basic information for the person you're granting access to, such as their email address. Remember to double-check this input because any error here could lead to communication breakdowns or access issues. After filling in the necessary details, confirm the creation of this new user account. Following this, assign appropriate access permissions to the user you've just added. Hostinger allows you to customize the permission levels, so be thoughtful about what exactly you want this person to be able to do. For instance, if you're dealing with a developer who only needs access to your website files, limit their permissions accordingly. Meanwhile, someone responsible for billing might need a broader level of access. It's all about balancing functionality and security. Once you've assigned the appropriate permissions, take a moment to review your settings. Make sure everything aligns with your intentions and that you're comfortable with the level of access granted. It's worth noting that decisions made here can always be adjusted later. If you notice a mistake or require adjustments, such as expanding beyond the initial access granted or tightening the reins due to changed circumstances, you can always go back to the Access Management section for updates. As a final step, notify the individual about their newly assigned access. This ensures they know they can log in and begin their work. You might consider sending an email or connecting over another preferred method, just to make sure they're aware and ready to proceed. And there you have it. Now you know how to provide access to Hostinger smoothly and safely. By following these steps carefully, you can manage permissions effectively, keeping your hosting setup secure yet functional for those who need it.